Hello, I am John Matthew Diaco, a BSIT student. So today, we'll tackle about cultural practices of Filipino. Mano po to be specific. Mano po, a Filipino gesture of respect, a cultural practice that shows love, honor, and humility. So, what is mano po? Mano po is a traditional Filipino gesture used to show respect to elders. Mano means hand, and po is polite expression used with elders. The gestures involves taking the elder's hand and gently pressing it to one's forehead. When is it used? So we use mano po when greeting or saying goodbye to elders, during family gatherings, holidays, and visit to relatives, common in Filipino homes and traditional communities. So why is mano po important? So it is important to show respect and humility, honor elders as source of wisdom and guidance, and to strengthen family bonds and Filipino values, and also a reminder of how Filipino value manners and traditions. So what is mano po today? So mano po is still widely practiced, especially in rural areas and family-oriented homes, while there's some modern versions include hugs or a respectful kiss on the cheeks, mostly known as beso, and another one is a symbol of timeless respect Filipino give to their elders. In conclusion, mano po is more than a gesture. It reflects the heart of Filipino culture. It teaches the younger generations the importance of respect, gratitude, and love for family. And there's a saying, to show respect is to honor our roots. Okay, and that's all for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. I hope that you've learned something. Goodbye.